Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am at Pakistan Monument, a beautiful place in Islamabad. Today's topic is about some important events between the period of 1857 to 1947. Dear friends, this is a very important topic that enhances your knowledge about the fall of Muslims as well as trouble made by our great leaders to create Pakistan. Dear friends, I will ensure you that after watching the full video, you can attempt any types of exams. So let's start. Struggle for Pakistan 1857 to 1947. 10 May 1857, War of Independence started in Bengal by Indian soldiers against British. 1858, the British Queen took over the administration of British possession in India. Government of India Act 1958 was promulgated. 1859, Sir Syed set up a school at Muradabad and in 1863 at Ghazipur. 1862, Indian Councils Act was passed. 1866, the Scientific Society published a journal known as Ali Khar Institute Gazette. Deoband movement along with Ali Khar movement was also started by Haji Muhammad Abid and Maulana Muhammad Yaqub. 1867, Urdu-Hindi controversy began. 1871, George Campbell, the LT Governor of Bengal, ordered Urdu should be scrapped from syllabus. 1874, MAO High School was established at Ali Khar. 1875, Arya Samaj was founded. 25 December 1876, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah born. 9 November 1877, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal born at Sialkot. 1887, Ali Khar School was upgraded to the status of a college and was inaugurated by Lord Lytton. 1881, first census of subcontinent. March 1884, Anjuman Hamayat-e-Islam was set up by Maulana Qazi Hamiduddin and his pupil Maulvi Ghulamullah Husuri. 22 September 1884, Anjuman Hamayat-e-Islam was formally announced and Qazi Hamiduddin became first president of Anjuman. 1885, Indian National Congress established by A.O. Hume. 1891, Hunza remote kingdom bordering China fell into hands of British, bringing an end to the expansion of British Raj. 8 September 1892, Hussain Shahid Sohrawardi born at Midnapur in East Bengal. 1893, Durand Line demarcated. 1894, Nadwatul Ulama started in Lucknow. July 1894, Khawaja Nazmuddin born. 1st October 1896, Nawabzada Liaquat Ali Khan born. 27 March 1898, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan passed away. 15 July 1905, Chaudhary Muhammad Ali born at Jalandhar. 16 October 1905, Bengal was partitioned into Assam and Bengal. 1st October 1906, Shimla Deputant was presented to Viceroy Lord Minto. 30 December 1906, All India Muslim League established the annual meeting of Muhammadan Educational Conference at Dhaka under chairmanship of Nawab Viqar ul Mulk. 14th May 1907, General Muhammad Ayub Khan born at Rehana village in Hazara, NWFP. 1911, Delhi Darbar held. Partition of Bengal is cancelled. New Delhi established as the new capital of India. 1913 Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League. The Kanpur mock episode took place, creating political awakening among the Indian Muslims. 1914 Outbreak of the World War I. 20 January 1915 Ghulam Ishaq Khan born at Ismail Khail Bannu NWFP. December 1916 Lucknow Pact was signed. 28 April 1916 Home Rule League was started by an English woman, Annie Besant. 27 January 1917 Nawab Vikar ul Mulk passed away after having a stroke or paralysis. He was buried at Amroha. 1919 Montague Chelmsford reforms were introduced. 1919 Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Shaukat Ali launched Khilafat movement after World War I, which lasted until 1924. 1920 Chori Chora tragedy occurred. 1920 Gandhi was selected as the president of Home Rule League and Miss Annie Besant left Home Rule League. 1922 Gandhi started non-cooperation movement. 1922 Quaid-e-Azam resigned from membership of Congress. 12 August 1924 General Muhammad Ziaul Haq born at Jalandhar. 1927 The Delhi proposals were formally approved at Conference of Muslim League. November 1927 British government appointed Simon Commission under John Simon. 1928 Nehru Report was presented. 5th January 1928 Zulfikar Ali Bhutto born. 28 March 1929 Quaid-e-Azam presented 14 points in Delhi Muslim Conference. 1930 Allahabad Muslim League Annual Conference was held. 12 November 1930 First Roundtable Conference held in London. 6 March 1931 The agreement between Viceroy Lord Irwin and Indian National Congress leader Gandhi was signed, known as Gandhi-Irwin Pact. 21st March 1931 All India Muslim Conference held at Lahore, addressed by Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. 7 September 1931 Second Roundtable Conference was held in London. 17 November 1932 Third Roundtable Conference was held in London. 28 January 1933 name Pakistan was used by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. 1934 Quaid-e-Azam took control of Muslim League. 1935 Act was presented. Quaid-e-Azam was in England at that time. 1937 elections were held and Congress achieved a big victory. Muslim League won 108 seats out of 485 total Muslim seats. 21st April 1938 Allama Muhammad Iqbal died and buried in front of Badshah Mosque in Lahore. 1939 Muslim League established in Balochistan. 22 December 1939 with the resignation of the Congress ministries, the Day of Deliverance was observed by the Muslims. 23rd March 1940 27th Annual Session of Muslim League and Pakistan, the resolution was presented. 22 March 1942 British sent Stafford troops with Confederation proposals known as Cripps Proposal. 1943 Muslim League established its first ministry in Sindh. Lord Wavell became the Viceroy of India. 17 July 1944, Gandhi invited Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah for talk failed due to the two-nation theory. 19 September 1944, Gandhi-Jinnah talks began and finished on 24 September 1944. 1946, elections were held. Muslim League celebrate Day of Victory, Yom Nijat. 24 March 1946, Cabinet mission arrived from Britain. 16 May 1946, Cabinet mission put forward its proposal. 4th May 1946, Indian National Congress accepted Cabinet mission proposals. 6th June 1946, Muslim League accepted Cabinet mission proposal. 22 March 1947, Lord Mountbatten arrived as last Viceroy. 3rd June 1947, Lord Mountbatten announced plan of partition called 3rd June 1947 Plan. 18 July 1947, Indian Independence Act passed in British Parliament. 14th August 1947, partition of subcontinent into Pakistan and India. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah became the first Governor General